Okay, we're gonna take these headlamps apart. These clips, I usually use 2 picks. Here you go, cameraman. So what I do is I lift the one side. Oh my goodness, that one's really tight, of course. There we go. That one, the whole clip came off. Wonderful. Let's do one more. So that one got one side. So then what I do is I put the clip, this pick under there, and try to pop off the other side. There we go. Clips off. Right, press pause. Did you ever sing? Okay. Now, this clip, right here, will pop off. It's not very difficult. That one's just one and done. Same thing with this. This is a little tricky sometimes. So that side came off. I'm going to lift up this side. There we go. Clips off. All right. Let's go to the top. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Got that side. Get the other one. There we go. That clip's released. That one's released. Let's get the other side. And if you don't keep it under there, it'll grab again. And then you'll be fighting it, right?
Jeremy just took.
All right. Got that. All right. And then don't forget this final clip. This is on the back right here. I'm going to go ahead and you stick your pick in here. Just a little spring clip. Boom. Okay. So now you've got all the clips off. You want to remove the lens, we take this off. So you pull back slightly, pull back slightly, pull back slightly. All right. Now the lens, a lot of times this is, I just head off, so it comes off easy. Sometimes it requires a little bit of force. You just make sure all your clips are gone and it will come off. So it's just a press fit seal. See the gaskets in here, and that's it. And you've got your lens off. You can put it back on. Reverse installation is reverse of disassembly. It's fairly simple.